We're going to warm up by wiggling our whole entire body. So let's start off slow. So everybody, first wiggle one hand, 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 freeze! And wiggle the other hand, wiggle the other hand, wiggle the other hand, wiggle the other hand, freeze! Let's wiggle both hands, let's wiggle both hands, wiggle both hands, wiggle both hands, wiggle both hands, freeze! Nice, let's wiggle our fingers, let's wiggle our thumbs. Everybody go, ayy. You guys all remember the Fonz, right? No? Moving on. All right, everybody wiggle one hand, wiggle the other hand, wiggle one arm, wiggle the other arm. Everybody wiggle your belly, wiggle your freeze. Let's wiggle our toes. So this is what we're going to do. Everybody wiggle your toes just like that. Now, if you're wearing sneakers or shoes, what I want you to do is we're going to do something called eagle claw. The way we do eagle claw is we take our toes and we curl them into the ground just like we're grabbing onto the earth or like we're grabbing onto something else. So watch what I'm going to do. I take my toes and I grab onto the ground as hard as I can, just like that. So let's try it. Everybody breathe in. And breathe out and grab onto the ground. Grab onto the ground like you're grabbing inside your shoes, or if you have no shoes on, then take your shoes off and do that and grab, 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 and relax. And one more time, let's do another eagle claw. Breathe in and grab into the ground, grab into the ground, grab into the ground, and relax. Do you feel that when you do the eagle claw, you calm yourself down? Awesome. All right, let's keep on wiggling. Everybody wiggle your tongue. Blah, 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 blah. Wiggle your nose. Do you guys know the wiggle song? Do you guys know the wiggle song with the nose? Everybody wiggle your nose. Everybody wiggle your nose. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. What about wiggling your ears? Can you do that? Try this. Not many people I know can wiggle the ears. If you can't do your ears like this, wiggle your ears and freeze. Good job, everyone. Wiggle your whole entire body. Wiggle your whole entire body. Wiggle your whole entire body and freeze. Nice job. High five.